Good morning, dear participants and experts here in Milano and virtually connected with us. Welcome to Day 3 of the UNECE SDA Bocconi joint event, Accelerating Action for the Sustainable and Circular Garment and Footwear Industry of the Future. Thank you for being with us, and we look forward to an engaging session today. And for experts virtually connected, the chat function on the events platform is available for you to join the discussion and share your views and questions with speakers and panelists. Now, a quick recap on day 2. Yesterday, we basically learned that traceability and transparency are about visibility and disclosure. And we also learned that they are a journey, and that journey can be complex. That is why it is important to come up with an action plan that integrates these key enablers, traceability and transparency, into a wider corporate sustainability strategy for the organization and for the company. Panelists from Inditex and PricewaterhouseCoopers highlighted the importance of impact measurement and ESG, environmental, social, governance-driven KPIs. You can improve only what you can measure. And they stress the need to put in place governance models that are inclusive and rely on effective communication and engagement with all value chain partners. They need to be there in the governance model and since the very start. The next step we addressed yesterday was an in-depth business analysis to identify the key stages and actors of the value chain. We looked at the environmental, social, health and safety risks along the value chain, and the data points where data, reports, documents need to be collected and exchanged to support traceability, transparency, and due diligence for your value chain. And there, Accredia and Candiani Denim, a fabric producer, discussed the importance of building reliable claims to help consumers make responsible choices. But behavioral change takes time, while we definitely need to accelerate pace. So legislators and regulators have an important role here to set clear criteria and to provide clear guidance. That's what they stressed. And finally, we looked at the data model, which defines the information entities and the documents that need to be collected and exchanged, and the role of identifiers and code lists to support a standardized exchange of information throughout the whole value chain. The importance of datasets interoperability and open source solutions for information exchange in fragmented and complex ecosystem of actors were also emphasized by experts from Enea Euratex, Open Apparel Registry, and the Aeon Group. Very important to highlight that the standard, the traceability and transparency information exchange standard developed under the UNECE project that was presented yesterday is a standard free of charge, is open to all companies, to all actors in the industry, free of charge. And it's a public good being developed by a UN agency. Now, moving to our program of the day, we are going to look into the enabling role of advanced technologies. This is what we are going to explore and showcase, and particularly blockchain systems and trackers. We will have presentations of the use cases of our partners in the cotton blockchain pilot, Vivian Westwood, Città dell'Arte, Albini Group, Filmar Group, FAO Latin America, Weba. Over the course of the past months, they have managed to achieve end-to-end traceability from field to shelf in the UNECE blockchain system building on our traceability methodology and standard developed in parallel with the pilot activities conducted under the project. We will also look at the supporting role of physical markers with ELIXA. We will discuss the challenge of setting consortia and of dealing with data management, data privacy, and securities that are important issues when it comes to sharing data and information in a blockchain environment. And this afternoon, with the SUPSI University that has developed the UNECE blockchain system, we will provide you with a demo of the system with the key features and characteristics. And we will eventually touch upon the new pilot that we have started just before the summer break that is focusing on the ladder value chain.